Ha ka Arab-santri uyayong Arab-san ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC kalapulong ya ka jingtang ya ki Mombati ha ka Jakarta kam jongka ha Congress Bawan Thana Road Shillong bat ha Tura kane ka jingyalang kalongkum kadak bat Sngewlem ya ki Lanot ki blasha siat yap ha ka jinghiar thma ki Lanot bat ki bahayeng asam jongki ki bladu no ya ka jong ka jingim ha ka jingja basongsi ha Pahalgam Jammu and Kashmir ki nongtre ka Congress na kiseng ba fer ki bedan hakmat kentup ya ka Youth Congress Mahila Congress Sevadal bat ki blok ha keleng kanong ba bat ki jaka ba marjansor ki lawan ban yashibenta da ka jingbun paj ha ka ne ka janmet ha ka ne ka jingilum lang ka president ka MPCC Mahila ka kong joblin shila kala ai ya ka kubor Sngewlem na du ka donut jongka kalaban pau jing sosi ka bakraw hol ka jingdu no ki mensim bam dun pop bat kala ai buram ya ki balaklat no kajing thang ya kading Mombati kalongkum kajing kanmau kapasosi kajing ja kapasosi bat kajing pensisha ya kajing yatli jong kalonging Congress bat kilonging kibashakta hakate kajing ja.
Pahalgam massacre, we believe that as a country we should stand together. This is nothing to do with politics, it's everything to do with the country as a whole, and as Indians we have every right to demand justice. We have every right to stick together as a country and ensure that whoever the perpetrators of this violent act should be dealt with a very firm hand. And we believe that as a country we are strong enough to show the world that we as Indians should not allow such things to happen in our country that we love so much. And I believe that as a Congress, we are always there to give moral support to the government which is in play, and we can only hope and pray that God will be with the families and take care of them, especially at this time at this hour in which they have so much difficulty. And we'd like to express our condolence, and we'd like to show the whole world that as a country, I think this is the only time that we need to be together and show solidarity for each and every religion, and not allow the religious fanatics to take control and to take over and to start the blame game everywhere. Because I believe that such an heinous act of cowardice should not be tolerated, and as a country we'll come out much stronger by being together. And we believe so as a Congress party that at this time especially we need to be together. And I thank each and every members who had come today, quite a lot of us, and we'd like to show that at least from the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee and from the Meghalaya people as such, we are there as one with the government, with the country as a whole. And thank you so much, and we hope and pray that the families, the bereaved families especially, will overcome this dark phase in their lives, and we hope and pray that truth will prevail and especially justice will prevail for all of them. Thank you.